What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the backyard revolution before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the backyard revolution works. Are you tired of paying high electricity bills every month? Do you want to reduce your carbon footprint and live a more sustainable lifestyle? If so, you need to check out Backyard Revolution. Backyard Revolution is a revolutionary solar power system that allows you to generate your own clean, renewable energy right in your backyard. With this system, you can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year on electricity bills, while reducing your impact on the environment. The Backyard Revolution system is incredibly easy to install and requires no special skills or tools. You simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided and in just a few hours, you'll have your very own solar power system up and running. One of the best things about Backyard Revolution is its compact size. Unlike traditional solar panels, which are bulky and take up a lot of space, this system is designed to be as small and unobtrusive as possible. It can easily fit on a small patch of land, making it perfect for urban and suburban environments. And don't worry about cloudy or overcast days. Backyard Revolution has been designed to work even in low-light conditions, so you can still generate power even when the sun isn't shining. But the benefits of Backyard Revolution don't stop there. This system is also incredibly durable and long-lasting, so you can be confident that your investment will pay off for years to come. So, if you're ready to take control of your energy usage and reduce your carbon footprint, Backyard Revolution is the perfect solution. Head over to our YouTube channel now to learn more and order your own Backyard Revolution system today.